Did you know the difference between the website development and full-stack development? Let's discuss with that. A web developer is someone who specializes in developing applications for the web. This can include front-end development, which focuses on the user interface and user experience, as well as back-end development, which involves server-side logic and database interactions. On the other hand, a full-stack developer is proficient in both front-end and back-end development. They have a comprehensive understanding of all aspects of web development, including client-side and server-side technologies. Full-stack developers are capable of working on all layers of an application, from the user interface to the server-side logic and database management. In summary, while a web developer may specialize in either front-end or back-end development, a full-stack developer is skilled in both areas, making them capable of handling the entire web development process. There are 3 different types of full-stack development available: Java full-stack development, Python full-stack development, MERN stack development. Java is a very efficient programming language, which means that Java full-stack applications can be very fast and responsive. Portability. Java is a portable language, which means that Java full-stack applications can be run on any platform that has a Java Virtual Machine, JVM. Python full-stack developers possess a wide range of skills and are capable of working on different aspects of web development. This versatility makes them highly sought after in the job market, with ample career opportunities available. Using the MERN stack makes it easier for developers to manage applications compared to traditional web applications. The MERN architecture has multiple tiers and is scalable, allowing for both upscaling and downscaling without compromising code integrity. The average salary for full-stack developer is Izeon would be $788,500 per year. Start your career in full-stack development. Izeon Training provides valuable and professional full-stack development course. The skills you learn in this course are: in front-end HTML, CSS, JavaScript,